I get a lot of questions about how to set the memory trunk height on all of the new Subarus. So I'm sitting here inside of a 2019 Subaru Forester, and I'm going to real quickly show you how to set the memory height. The first thing you're going to do is come here to the dashboard, press and hold the trunk open button so you can fully open the trunk. Once the trunk is fully open, you're going to find this memory button right here. Press that in and then make your way around the back. As you can see, the trunk is now fully open. Now, since that button was pressed, you'll see if I go and start lowering the trunk, it's going to give me absolutely no resistance. So once you lower it to the height you want, you're going to find the trunk close button right here. You're going to press it and hold it for about 2 seconds. Once you hear that beep, that means it recognizes your height. Now, next time you need to open the trunk, you'll see you're going to press the button and it's only going to open up to that set height. And that's all you have to do. Here at Hawk Subaru, we try to give you as easy of an explanation as possible. Well, until next time, have a great one.